Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Franca and welcome back to Stars by Franca. On today's episode guys, I'm going to be teaching us how to make a corset caging. Thank you guys so much for supporting this channel. I love you guys. So let's go straight into this video. The material we'll be needing for this caging, we are going to be needing our cups, that's the side and the center. Then we are also going to be needing our line boning. We are going to be needing our line boning. Also, we are going to be also cutting our lining also for the cups. So after then, we are going to be joining our cups together, right side facing right side, the center and the side. We are also going to be doing that on our lining. And here, I just used my biro to mark half an inch round the lining cup. And not the main fabric, the lining cup. So that will be a guideline to start placing my line bone. Then after that, I'm going to be dividing the center cup. I'm going to be dividing it by 2, and also the side I'm also going to be dividing it by 2. Then I'm going to start drawing my lines like this. Just watch what I'm doing in this video and you're going to understand, you're going to get it very well. So this is how the cup is going to be looking like, and it's going to be the lining, not the main fabric. So we are going to be doing that on both cups. Then here is me just placing my line bone inside the cup to get the measurements I will be needing, the total length I will be needing. Then I'm going to be cutting it out. Remember, we marked half an inch round the cup before we start rolling out our lines. So you have to take note of that. And your original bone should be a bit shorter than the length you chalked on the cup. So here's me just cutting it out. I'm taking this video very slow so that you guys can really understand. So here is me just stitching down my line bone. So I'm going for the straight line first, then after that I'm going for the vertical lines. So that's how you're just going to start sewing down your line bone on it. So after sewing the straight line, we're going to be sewing the vertical line like that. Then after doing that, let me just, don't rush you guys, you can see exactly what I'm doing in this video. After done sewing the vertical lines, we are going to be placing our line boning round the cup. That half an inch we chalked, we marked before placing those vertical and horizontal boning. You are going to be placing your line boning round the cup inside. You are going to be sewing it down to cover all the sharp edges of the line bone. I hope you understand. Just watch exactly what I'm doing in this video and you're going to see the end result of this corset caging. It is very simple and easy. If you have watched my video up to this moment and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, What are you still waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos. If you have any tutorial you want me to work on, you can actually drop a comment, then I'm going to do it, guys. So that's what I'm saying. So you're just going to cover it. As you can see, the cup, the corset, the original bone has covered all the rough edge. So here's me, I'm done with the cup. Look how neat it is. So we are going to the ironing table. I'm going to be ironing my cupped caged. Then I'm going to be placing my hemming gum on top my cage cup, and I'm also going to be adding fiber. This part is optional, so I just want it to be a little bit foamy, so I added my fiber to it. So after adding my fiber, I'm going to be placing my main fabric on top of it. So the cage will be at the bottom, then the second layer will be the fiber, then the main fabric, like that. So I'm going to be ironing down my fiber to the caged cup. So here's me just ironing it down. And I'm going to be trimming out all the excess on the fiber. Then I'm going to give it a very nice ironing it very well, so that the fiber will be glued to the cup. Then we are going to be adding our main fabric on top of it. So guys, this is how it's going to look like. So the main fabric, the fiber, and the caged cup, all three together. Then I'm going to be using another lining to cover all the rough edge. I'm going to be stitching it all the way round. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you find my video very helpful, please subscribe to my channel, share my video to people that are interested in sewing tutorials like this. This method is a lifesaver. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.